Victims have big TVs, winners big libraries. Welcome to Future Insights, where we decode the tech shaping our world. I'm Val, and today we're zeroing in our revolutionary concept that's redefining how we think about digital trust and transactions, blockchain technology. Whether you are tech savvy or new to the scene, this episode will help you understand what blockchain is and why it matters. So, what exactly is a blockchain? At its core, blockchain is a type of database, but it is radically different from the databases we have used for the decades. Think of it as a digital ledger that stores information in blocks, and each block is chained to the previous one, creating a continuous and unbreakable link. Here is the kicker. Once data is entered into a blockchain, it becomes extremely difficult to change. Every block contains a unique code called a hash, along with the hash of the block before it. If the information in one block is altered, its hash code changes, making the entire chain invalid, unless all subsequent blocks are altered too. Blockchain technology is the best known for the underpinning cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but its potential extends far beyond. Imagine a world where you can track the origins of your coffee beans or the parts in your car, verify the authenticity of a diploma, or even cast a vote in an election, all recorded securely and transparently on a blockchain. What makes blockchain so secure? Its decentralized nature. Unlike traditional databases that store all data on a central server, blockchain distributes copies of the ledger across a whole network of computers. This means to hack the blockchain, you need to hack the majority of these nodes simultaneously, a task so computationally expensive and impractical that it makes blockchain incredibly secure. But it's not just about security. Blockchain can significantly reduce costs and increase efficiency by removing the middlemen from various processes. No need for banks in financial transactions, lawyers in contracts, or even realtors in property transfers. Blockchain automates these relationships with what are called smart contracts, self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. As we wrap up, it's clear that blockchain isn't just another tech buzzword, it's a foundational technology that could transform industries and how we interact with the data daily. Thanks for tuning into the Future Insights. Dive deeper, stay curious, and unlock the potential of technologies like blockchain in life and work. And remember, you have unlimited potential, while victims have big TVs, winners big libraries.